namin yung hotel and Sky Park. Over here. Ito na, Hotel and Sky Park shops. Okay, ito na. Palipat na tayo sa Hotel and Sky Park to MBS na yan, no? Ito yung Hotel Sky Park. Tapos pag ganito pala is to Bayfront MRT Station. Okay, go up here. Sige, tara, let's. Okay, we're at the Tower 3 of Marina Bay Sands now. Tower 1 and 2 to the right. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, so this is now the MBS. Oh, ito na yung lobby ng MBS. Oh, hindi na magkandamayo ulit tong dalawa. Tapos dito yung check-in. Kung nag-book ka dito. Parang ang sarap nung may ganyan kang puno sa loob ng bahay na ganyan kalaki yung paso. Dream ko yun eh. Let's go. Yun na. Nakikita ko na yung signage. Sky Park Observation Deck. Pero kung nag-check-in kayo dito sa MBS, libre na yung pagpunta sa Observation Deck. Pero kung yun lang sasadyain ninyo, meron siyang entrance fee. Okay, so the Sky Park Observation Deck is in Tower 3. So, kailangan natin lumabas dito. I can see Helix Bridge over there. This one. There you go. San Sky Park Observation Deck. Let's go! Andyan na? Okay. So yeah, medyo nagkaabira lang konti sa ticket pero naayos na doon sa loob. I think we're ready to go. Ay, oh, iba yung access dito paakyat sa 57. Hindi katulad sa loob ng MBS, no? Kasi sa MBS, 57th floor, no? Ng elevator. Okay, welcome to San Sky Park. There we go. Yeah, this way to entrance of Sky Park Observation Deck. Good. It's my kiddos. Where's Yana? There.
Welcome to Sky Park.
Bright light. We're here at the Sky Park Observation Deck at Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Taas pa ng araw, oh. We're here at 6 o'clock. Pero we will be waiting for the sunset. So the sun is here. The sunset will be here later. Yeah, good thing hindi ganun katao today. Kalimutan kong dalhin yung shades ko. Merong cafe dyan sa taas. So the view here is the Gardens by the Bay. So yan, oh. This is the botanical. Then this is the Super Tree Groves. Ayan. There's my son doing his photography tricks. So this is the Singapore Flyer. And then behind that, there's the dome. Diyan nag-concert si Taylor Swift, National Stadium. This is the port. Sunset here, I think, is around 7 o'clock to 7:15. So mga in hour. Luckily, it's not that hot today. Medyo may konting hangin, which is nice. Okay, so ito nga yung Arts and Science Museum. Itong bridge na to, this is called the Helix Bridge. So if you wanna go to Merlion over there, pwedeng dumaan dito paikot ganyan. Kaya lang there's construction right now here. Pero before, kaya pwedeng dumaan dyan. Tapos dadaan ng Esplanade. And then there's a new bridge that they created papuntang Merlion.
You're again at the line.
So right here, there is Celavi, so you can have refreshments. Mantuwa tong dalawa dito sa Singapore. Yay! Happy being in Singapore? Okay, so ayan, upo na ako dito kasi pagod na. Yeah, I will just enjoy the view. The Merlion! Nandun, maliit! Merlion is right over there. Okay, akit daw kami. Baka mas maganda yung view daw from the top. And then, over there, so yan yung infinity pool ng Marina Bay Sands. So ito yata yung dating port, binabakate na kasi nga lahat alam ko nililipat na sa Tuas, diba? Sa north yun eh. And then here at night, merong light show eh, but I don't know the time of light show today if there is. And then if you see all those white buildings, yan. So yan ang housing ng Singapore. So yeah, the locals and all the workers in here, they live in a government subsidized apartments which is called HDB. Some are condos also. We're actually at the downtown area. The Marina Bay Sands has 3 towers. Pero I've heard that they're gonna be creating another one, 4th tower. Pero hindi ko pa alam eh kung saan banda dito. And by the way, here, yan yung merong may Buddha sa gitna. That is the Marina Barrage. Many locals go there to fly their kites. Nasaan na kayo mga John Akis ko? Hindi ko na alam. Kanya-kanya na kami. Yeah, this is the reason why I really love Singapore because there's just so much to do in here. No dull moments. Well, sabagay, kanya-kanya namang preference. I'm a city person, so that's why Singapore is really for me. I really love the metropolis. There's just always something to do. Wala na. Where's the sun? It's not the real sunset yet because it's just hiding under the clouds. Because it's still bright. What time is it? 7:05 in 10 minutes. How much is their drinks here?
These are 5.
Of course. Okay, so nag-sunset na. Currently it's 7:20. Nag-start nang mag-light up yung mga buildings. Oh. Madula Singapura. Is this the National Gallery? And then that's the Supreme Court and the Parliamentary. Hindi ito yung Parliamentary.
Nag-start na siya.
Ayan, sana may light show. Ayan, nag-start nang mag-light up yung mga buildings. There you go. Oh, tapos yung red na yan, dyan nagagaling yung light show. See, nag-change na siya ng color. Look at that. Light up na siya. There you go. Nag-ready na ang light show for tonight. 8 p.m., di ba? So this is the skyline of Singapore at night time. Currently, 7:40 at night. And ito na yung night skyline ng Singapore. So, inantay natin si Merlion by 8 o'clock. And I think there's a Spectra light show also at 8 o'clock. So we're still just hanging out in here, relaxing na lang. So we're canceling for now yung aming Gardens by the Bay kasi hindi namin naabutan na yung yung OCBC Skyway hanggang 8 lang pala yun. So medyo nagko-collide yung mga schedules dito. So change of plans. Dito na lang muna kami. We're gonna wait for the light show. Just enjoy here. Tapos, we can go down there. Yeah, kasi hindi pa namin masyadong napasyalan lahat ng area dyan. Punta pa kami sa Apple Store. Ayan, nag-start na yung Spectra Light Show. Somehow it's starting na. Getting ready. Eh, yung dating gumaganon dito sa taas. Kasama ba yun?
Meron, ito, mag-iilaw-ilaw tong building.
Pero tayo dito, I mean, ma-apektuhan.
Hindi.
Okay, so after here, bababa na kami para kasi maghanap muna kami ng may bilang kami ng pagkain and then we go downstairs na. We're gonna check the Apple Store and everything around there. Yung Spectra Light, mas maganda pala kapag sa baba papanoorin. From the top, hindi masyadong ganun ka-stunning. Tsaka maganda nga kapag sa baba kasi it comes with music, water, and light show. Okay, so we're just having dinner here sa San Bato, Dallas. Barbecue chicken, kaso ang dilim. And their drinks. We're waiting for the pizza. And then after this, uwi na kami kasi zero energy na kami. Thank you so much for watching.
I like that though.
And I'm gonna see you again in the next one. Bye.